Okay, so good morning. So kuha ulit tayo ng problems dito sa mga let reviewers as well as civil service reviewers. So kuha muna tayo dito sa pang let. Okay, so napili natin yung number 42. Okay, so what is the value of t cubed plus 5t squared minus t plus 6 if t is equals to negative 5? Is it letter A 11, letter B negative 239? Okay, so sinulat ko na siya. Okay, so here's the question. So before we answer this particular problem, okay, so discuss muna natin yung concept of evaluation of algebraic expression. Okay, sige. When we evaluate a particular algebraic expression, so yung steps lang naman dyan is first, substitution. Pangalawa is the GEMDAS rule. Okay, so substitution. Okay, so we simply substitute the given values for each variable. Okay, then after that, we will proceed to GEMDAS rule. Okay, sige. Okay, this particular problem, okay, so meron tayong given na expressions. Okay, meron tayong value ng t which is negative 5. Okay, so based sa evaluating algebraic expression, yung unang step is to substitute the given values. Okay, so t raised to 3 plus 5t squared minus t plus 6. Okay, ano yung value ng t? Negative 5 raised to 3 plus 5 times negative 5 raised to 2, okay, minus negative 5 plus 6. Okay, so since sa GEMDAS rule, after we substitute the value, so proceed tayo sa GEMDAS rule. Okay, so nakikita natin merong exponents. Okay, so negative 5 raised to 3, so negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5, yung sagot dyan 100, negative 125. Okay, since yung base niya is negative at yung exponent is odd numbers. Okay, plus 5. Okay, negative 5 squared, so positive 25. Kasi negative 5 times negative 5, positive 25. Okay, so minus negative 5 plus 6. Okay, so copy natin, negative 125. 5 times 25, positive 125. Negative times negative 5, magiging positive 5. Okay, plus 6. Okay, so 125, 125. So magkaiba sila ng sign. Ito positive, ito negative. So 0 yan. Cancel na natin yan. So yung matitira is 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6, yung sagot, 11. Okay, so meron bang 11 sa choices? Okay, letter A. Okay, so next, kuha naman tayo ng pang civil service na reviewer. Okay, sagutan natin to. So yung napili natin, number 111, what is the value of parenthesis x raised to negative y times parenthesis 2x raised to y times parenthesis 3y raised to x if x is equals to 2 and y is equals to negative 2. Okay, sige, sinulat ko na rin yan. Ito siya. Okay, so the concept of evaluating algebraic expression will be used. Okay, again, so copy muna natin yung expression. So x raised to negative y 2x raised to y times 3y raised to x. Okay, in this particular expression, pwede natin yan i-simplify muna. Okay, so alam natin na kapag negative yung exponent, kukunin natin yung kanyang reciprocal. Okay, and the reciprocal of x raised to negative y will be equal to 1 over x raised to positive y. Okay, times, ito, copy natin, 2x raised to y over 1 times 3y raised to x over 1. Okay, so simplify natin. So cancel na natin to, cancel. Anong matitira? 1 times 2 times 3 y raised to x, ang magiging sagot is 6y raised to x. Okay, then proceed tayo sa substitution. So yung value ng y is negative 2, so 6 yung x is positive 2. Okay? Sige. So, 6, negative 2 raised to positive 2. Sagot natin dyan is positive 4. So, 6 times 4, yung sagot natin is 24. So, meron ba sa choices ng 24? Okay. Answer, letter D. Okay? So, I hope maliwanag. So, to better understand, so try to answer these items. Okay, so thank you very much.